For centuries, we thought gravity was just a force pulling things down, but Einstein revealed it's so much more. Today, we'll explore how Einstein's theory of general relativity revolutionized our understanding of gravity and continues to be proven correct. Newton described gravity as a force, but Einstein reimagined it as the curvature of spacetime. Massive objects warp this fabric, and other objects follow these curves, like a marble rolling around a bowling ball on a trampoline. This explains why planets orbit the Sun, not because of a mysterious pull, but because they're following the curves in spacetime. One stunning prediction was gravitational lensing. Light, even though it has no mass, bends around massive objects, distorting the images of galaxies behind them. We've observed this countless times, confirming Einstein's theory with incredible precision. Here's a surprising fact: time slows down in stronger gravitational fields. This means time passes slightly slower at sea level than on a mountaintop. And, coming up next, we'll see how this time dilation was directly confirmed by atomic clocks. Einstein's general relativity isn't just a theory, it's the foundation of our understanding of the universe, from black holes to the expansion of space itself. It fundamentally changed how we view gravity, proving it's not a force, but a consequence of spacetime's geometry. If you found this mind-bending explanation fascinating, give this video a like and subscribe for more science explorations. Let us know in the comments what other physics mysteries you want us to unravel.